it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today, we are here with the second installment on the payment plan Riddim by Russian. And we're there with Nigy boy. So we see Dirty Money Riddim drop a day and Nigy boy take the Riddim for me. Can he take this one as well? What you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. So Nigy boy Judgement Yard. This is the official video. Let's jump in it and hear what he has said.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Me, I can't understand why some man so foolish. Russian, them boy I need gal. For the life of me, I can't understand why some man so foolish. Russian, them boy I need gal is class. Actually, never mind. Let them.
So the boss like bring them gal is class. Same until they say, yo, him just can't understand how so much girl clown they both. How so much. All them man is so stupid. Like what one? Them boy I need gal is class.
Russian, them boy I need gal is class. Actually, never mind. Let them slip and slide. Leave them girl and attend it so I can.
Actually, no bother. Make them slip. When as them slip, them I go slide. Them gal go forward to me. More gal for me when them fuck up. Yeah, that's it. Go. Let's go.
Never mind. Let them slip and slide. Leave them girl and attend it so I can swoop in. Yeah.
Swoop in.
Like an eagle when Lisa, Gina, Susanna, Keisha, Serena, and 22 others.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! What is it? The Riddim again? Let's go! What is it? Nice to watch the Riddim again, dog.
For the life of me, I can't understand why some man so foolish. Russian, them boy I need gal is class. Actually, never mind. Let them slip and slide. Leave them girl and attend it so I can swoop in. Yeah, like an eagle when Lisa, Gina, Susanna, Keisha, Serena, and 22 others call me phone in at the 2 o'clock bells. I beg fi come up to my room for snacks with.
Hold on.
Quote fi end a rooster chat.
Hold on, man.
I can't understand why some man so foolish. Russian, them boy I need gal is class. Actually, never mind. Let them slip and slide. Leave them girl and attend it so I can swoop in. Yeah, like an eagle when Lisa, Gina, Susanna, Keisha, Serena, and 22 others call me phone in at the.
So him just call out 5 gal name plus 22 others. 27 that you know. So 27 gal you know.
Gina, Susanna, Keisha, Serena, and 22 others call me phone in at the 2 o'clock bells. I beg fi come up to my room for snacks with.
And Nigy boy I drive the car. More if a Nigy boy I drive the car. Can we see him in the front seat? We not see no other driver there. What one?
This quote fi end a rooster chat. Cause the man a yard now make them use a lot for snacks with us. Call me phone in at the 2 o'clock bells. I beg fi come up to my room for snacks which is quote fi.
Get a call in, I beg fi come up in room for snacks. Eh? You think a chichi come back to the boss up the figure?
Phone in at the 2 o'clock bells. I beg fi come up to my room for snacks which is quote fi end a rooster chat. Cause the man a yard now make them.
Quote for end rooster. Yo, him a chop.
Quote for end a rooster chat. Cause the man a yard now make them use a lot. So them link me, fi learn the rule a lot. Be them judge, jury, executioner. Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! I can't understand why some man so fool.
This guy is visually impaired. So when I tell me say, the boss I sit down so I clear and know exactly what to say and what to do and how to drop him lyrics them to take over. And that's what you tell me? Eh?
For the life of me,
the boss in journey and him blind.
Why some man so foolish. Russian, them boy I need gal is class. Actually, never mind. Let them slip and slide. Leave them girl and attend it so I can swoop in. Yeah, like an eagle when Lisa, Gina, Susanna, Keisha, Serena, and 22 others call me phone in at the 2 o'clock bells. I beg fi come up to my room for snacks which is quote fi end a rooster chat. Cause the man a yard now make them use a lot. So them link me, fi learn the rule a lot. Be them judge, jury, executioner. One at a time me a judge them. Grab around while I so. That's right. Twist around turn her so.
You see it? The boss can see how him a jugger and roller and twister and turn her so. Him can see everything. Him a see everything.
I me a judge them, grab around all her so. That's right. Twist her and turn her so. Fast wine, slow wine, rubber double her so. Say she like grand prof, so me rough her up. Just a little bit. Grab around all her so. Twist her and turn her so. Fast wine, slow wine, rubber double her so.
Boss, hold on pa moms, you see the moms a turn, waist a turn. Boss, you hold on pa moms, waist a feel the motion of the ocean. Because him can't see what go on, so him a feel the motion. Let's go.
Say she like grand prof, so me rough her up. Just a little bit. Grab around all her so. Twist her and turn her so. Fast wine, slow wine, rubber double.
Slow, fast, slow. The boss feel everything. Him not see, him a feel the wine, him a feel the wine. She a wine here, fast wine, slow wine, man. No, you go too fast. He's down. What?
Twist her and turn her so. Fast wine, slow wine, rubber double so. So she like grand prof, so me rough her up.
I know say. Me no see no driver yet in the cab. Them woman are brave for make Nigy boy a drive.
So fast wine, slow wine, rubber double.
Aye! The boss a drive. Remember said the car was moving, yeah? Look which on the steering wheel upon. Look. See there? Steering wheel there? Left hand side. He was in the left hand side earlier. Look. What? Look.
Lisa, Gina, Susanna, Keisha, Serena, and 22 others. Call me phone in at the 2 o'clock.
Look beside him now. Left hand side. Car move. You see that, right? The car move. And him in the left hand side. And the steering wheel on the left hand side, right?
Rooster chat. The man a yard now make them use a lot. So them link me. Feel learn the rule a lot. Be them judge, jury, executioner. One at a time me a judge them. Grab around all her so. That's right. Twist her and turn her so. Fast wine, slow wine, rubber double so. She like grand prof, so me rough her up. Just a little bit. Grab around all her so. Twist her and turn her so. Fast wine, slow wine, rubber double so. So she like grand prof, so me rough her up. Catherine love you rough sentence when me up.
No, you don't too lie. You don't too what? Only love put camera trick in a video, so man. Look here.
So she like grand prof, so me rough her up. Catherine love you rough.
You don't see boss a
Wine
drive.
rubber double so she like grand prof, so me rough her up. Catherine love you rough.
Watch it. Kiara move. Who that in a car front seat a drive? Kiara move. Kiara go past a carrier.
Sentence when me overrule her objections. Shanice like when me bring her to the torture chamber, she answer my questions.
Shanice like to be tortured. She like it rough. Yes, she like to be humiliated. She wants to go in his torture chambers for answer when time he asks her a question.
Shanice like when me bring her to the torture chamber, she answer my questions. Samantha go like she a good girl, but if you know the amount of confession,
she a pretty devil. She go like she a good girl, but the amount of things where she go on with the confession list tall.
Samantha go like she a good girl, but if you know the amount of confession she make when she come fi visit the bishop weekly for her one-on-one session. She say go easy on me, grab around all her so. Twist her and turn her so. Fast wine, slow wine, rubber double so. Say she like grand prof, so me rough her up. Just a little bit. Grab around all her so.
Oh, them girl, you make the G drive them though. That one.
Twist her and turn her so. Fast wine, slow wine, rubber double so. Say she like grand prof, so me rough her up. Lisa, Gina, Susanna, Keisha, Serena, and 22 others. Call me phone in at the 2 o'clock bells are.
Yeah, on the sure say Nigy boy can't see a little bit. On the sure say him can't see a little bit, because there's no way this boy is driving. There's no way Nigy a drive.
If we come up to my room for snacks, which is good and a rooster chat. Cause the man a yard now make them use a lot. So them link me, feel learn the rule a lot. Be them judge, jury, executioner. One at a time me a judge them. Grab around all her so. Twist her and turn her so. Fast wine, slow wine, rubber double so. Say she like grand prof, so me rough her up. Just a little bit. Grab around all her so. Twist her and turn her so. Fast wine, slow wine, rubber double so. Say she like grand prof, so me rough her up.
Wine moms. Video bad. The video bad. What the video shot? Where the video shot? Russian. Which part of video shot? The video bad enough. But my question is he actually driving in the video though? He is driving. How? Nigy boy, I think you should change your name from Nigy boy to Nigy man, cause you're a big man now. You're a big man now, bro. And you've been on our phone screen from you was a little boy, like. You see me? I remember the first video of me seeing the video. I think you was in a house and you was singing. Bro, you're bad, bro. Let me I don't hear the rest of the song limit, obviously, cause I don't react to them yet. And I don't listen to the song unless I'm reacting to them. Let me know who else take the who take the rhythm phone so far. If you listen to the whole I sang them. You see me? I'm gonna be reacting to the rest of them. So don't worry on yourself. Look out for them reaction there. Alright? Nigy boy, big up your damn self, dog. Russian. Yeah. I will film that one. I will film that one. Big up the production team here that one still. Let me know how film, but big up yourself. Russian, big up yourself, dog. PaymentPlanRiddim out.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip corner.